How to manage subscription on Verizon. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in verizon.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Verizon. Now at the top right, you will find this option of channel. Click on it. Different options will appear. Go ahead and click on the option of sign into my account. If you haven't registered for your account yet, click on this option of register and create your account. But for now, click on the option of sign into my account. Now over here, you will need to type in your credentials. Type in your user ID or Verizon mobile number. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, you can click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on continue. Now type in your password over here. If you want to remember your user ID, check in for this option. If you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, you can click on the option of forgot password. Once you fill this, click on sign in, and with that you will be logged into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the My Verizon section, where you can manage your wireless plan, change features, view usage, manage Fios services, upgrade or downgrade plans, add or remove features, and view billing information. Contact Verizon customer service by calling the appropriate number. Then inquire about the plan changes, promotion, billing inquiries, and more. And now you can discuss about subscription with the representative. While managing subscription on Verizon, be sure to review any terms and conditions associated with changes, cancellation, or fees. Keep track of your billing cycle, usage, and any promotional offer to ensure you are getting the most value from your subscriptions. So this is how you can manage subscription on Verizon. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.